Hey yo, what's going on everybody? My name is Dylan, you guys are chilling with Dylan, and today we got a brand new unboxing review for you guys of this limited sneaker right here. Alrighty guys, so yes, we do have a brand new unboxing review on the channel for you guys today. If you do enjoy this video, make sure you guys are smashing that like button. Also, please subscribe to the channel if you are new around here. We just surpassed 1,000 subscribers. So thank you guys so much for the support. And also don't forget to turn the bell on so you don't miss another one of my videos. Now with all that being said, let us get straight into the unboxing. As you can tell from the box right here, this is an Air Jordan 1 Low box. Pretty cool, unique box for this model right here. You can also tell the pattern mimics the pattern on the overlays on the upper. Nice green color, and you can tell right here by the imprinting, it's kind of like that snakeskin scale print. Label reads Air Jordan 1 Retro Low OG CNY. What does that stand for? Chinese New Year. Yes, that's right. These are the Chinese New Year of the Dragon Air Jordan 1 Lows. Official colorway is Sail, Cedar, Oil, and Green. So pretty unique. I got a size 11.5, which is my true size for all Air Jordan 1s. Now opening up the box, you are going to get your standard Nike box right there. Also inside the box, which is a really cool, unique detail, is you're going to get this little charm right here. So you can tell on here, nice engraving. It looks like a little gold foil on the paper right here. And then on the back, you got the Jordan Jumpman logo, which I think is really cool. Now inside of the package, you're gonna get this charm. Now this charm is actually pretty cool, pretty unique right there. If you guys can tell, no, actually this way right there. Yep. So pretty cool, pretty unique little charm. Put that, obviously I don't think anybody's putting this on the sneakers, but you know, for a keychain or something like that. Pretty cool if that's something you're into. Now, when you do also open up the box, you're gonna get this unique paper with the Chinese New Year dragon on top of the paper, which I think is really nice touch. And then open it up, you're gonna get greeted with the shoes. Man, these things are nice. I will say that these are a very nice, clean pair of shoes. Little sniff test. Ooh, that is a nice, fresh pair of kicks right there. So that's it, man. These are the shoes right here. The Air Jordan 1 Low Chinese New Year. So that's right, guys. So this year's is the year of the dragon for the Chinese New Year theme. Now last year's was the year of the rabbit, and those things went insane on the resale market. I believe currently right now they're sitting between like $8,000 to $1,000 for that specific pair. Now that was an individually numbered pair, so they were extremely limited. This pair of shoes right here also pretty limited as well, especially over on the sneakers app release. I think there was only like, I want to say, I forget if it was 2,000, it might have been 5,000 pairs of the 11.5 alone. So pretty limited stock compared to all other really generally released shoes these days. It seems like they're really kind of pumping up the stock numbers lately, but whether it was accurate or not, I did also see that not many retailers at all drop these things right here. So, you know, some sites like End, Kith, and one other one, it might have been Feature or something like that, also did the release. But as far as the sneakers app in the US, these things were pretty limited. So if you were able to cop your personal pair, congratulations to you. But let's dive into them. So as you can tell by the shoes right here, you're gonna get the all over green print right here with that snakeskin dragon print type of pattern, and I think it is an incredible detail. As you could tell right from the heel right there going over to the toe box. I mean, look at that detail, really nice. Over up to onto the eyelays as well, really clean, pretty cool. It does kind of remind me of the pattern. I don't know if you guys are Game of Thrones fans, but the dragon eggs, it looks exactly like that print. So pretty cool that they incorporated the dragon scales, if you will, onto this sneaker. Like I said, nice storytelling, and kudos to them for the attention to detail. Now guys, it is important to note as well, you are only going to get one pair of laces. You do not get any extra laces with these guys. So you're going to get this burgundy and or maroon lace that's going to already come pre-laced in the first eyelet right there. So it's going to come pre-laced right there in the first eyelet. So yeah, no extra laces on these guys. It would have been nice to see if they would have threw like a green to try to match the color. But like I said, none this time around. So a little bit disappointing. So a little bit disappointed that you don't get an extra set. Would have liked to see that green and or a white or something like that. But it is just kind of, it's not really like a special release or anything. So maybe that's why they didn't incorporate it. But going with the theme, I think that they should have added at least one extra set. Now, going over to the medial side, you will notice that this red or burgundy color is in a metallic finish. So that is not a matte finish, as you could tell with the camera right there. It's getting a little bit of shine going. So that is definitely a metallic red finish. Not a super bright red, but more of, like I said, that wine burgundy color right there. I think it does pair up pretty nicely with the green, I will say. Going over to the heel, you are going to get a gold. It's not a gold foil, right? But it feels almost like a gold foil. It's not. It might. I'm trying to think of what material this is. It's like a. I don't know if you guys can hear that. It's almost like a satin type of finish on there. But yeah, the gold on the heel tab with the Air Jordan logo, Wings logo in that burgundy color right there. Nice attention to detail. I like the gold tying into the whole Year of the Dragon theme for the Chinese New Year. Going over to the tab right here on the tongue, you're gonna get this gray piping all around the tongue right here, which I think is a cool little detail. And then going right there, you're gonna get the Nike Air branding on the burgundy pull tab, as well as the gold text Nike Air. Now behind the tongue on both the right and the left shoe, you're gonna get the same logo. It's gonna be a dragon wrapped around the Air Jordan logo, which I think is a really cool touch right there. Like I said, attention to detail, that's what gets these, special editions. This is technically not a special edition because there is no SP on the box, but the Chinese New Year overall is usually pretty limited and a really dope storytelling behind it. So I would consider this a special release, but officially not an SP. But yeah, nice attention to detail overall on this sneaker. When you go inside in the insole, you're gonna get like that similar gold foil of pattern or overlay with the Jordan Jumpman right in the center. I think that's pretty cool as well. And if you can't tell on camera, but this sock liner is actually a satin finished gray or silver sock liner, which I also think is a very nice touch. I mean, look at that. Nice satin. I mean, what is that? Velvet. I mean, nice and padded too, actually. Like, I know it's a little bit thinner, but it is nice and padded. So nice attention to detail, like I said. And then going from the inside back to the outside on the midsole, you are going to notice this is not a bright white midsole. So you are going to get a nice sail or cream midsole going all along. It's not super sail, but it is definitely a sail and not a bright white over on the midsole. I think it pairs nicely. I mean, a lot of people are overplayed with the whole sail midsole or cream midsole, but I personally like it. I like that there is a slight bit of contrast between the stark white on the medial and then the little sail on the midsole right there. And when you make your way over to the outsole right here, you are going to get this clear translucent outsole. It's not a super icy blue outsole, but it's just kind of like a regular generic type of translucent outsole, more of a clear than like the blue tint. It's definitely just a clear outsole, so something to note on that. Over time, obviously clear outsoles will yellow, so something to keep in mind when purchasing this pair of shoes right here. So overall, guys, what is your thoughts and opinions on the Year of the Dragon Air Jordan 1 Low Chinese New Year for this year? They do a special release every single year. I will say, if you're talking about quality, very nice quality control, not many glue stains, if any at all. The material is nice. However, the leather on the toe box is a stiff leather. It's not like a super soft, supple leather that we have been getting on some of the Air Jordan 1 lows as of late, but it's kind of, if you look on the press test, it is kind of a stiffer leather, not super soft. But other than that, nicer material used with the satin sock liner, the texture of like the dragon scales or the snake print over on the overlays of the sneaker. So I do think nice material choices, but let me know your thoughts and opinions on these down below. And also, guys, let me know if you did go for these over on the Sneakers app, if you did cop, if you copped anywhere else, and if it is a shoe you're looking to pick up this year. A lot of releases coming out this year, so I know most of you will probably be selective, as I am trying to be this year. But I was lucky enough to cop these over from the Sneakers app, so definitely wanted to get that review for you guys. I think it is a very clean, very nice overall sneaker, and I'm happy that I was able to cop them. And like I said in the beginning of the video, guys, make sure if you did enjoy, smash that like button. Please subscribe if you are new around here, and hit the bell icon so you're not going to miss another one of these unboxing, reviews, news updates, and overall slappers. And that's going to do it for me, guys. So my name is Dylan. You guys just chill with Dylan. Me and the Chinese New Year, Year of the Dragon, Air Jordan 1 Low OG. We're out. Peace.